Meaning of dip.
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 Dip. DIP stands for Dual Inline Package, which is a type of electronic packaging that consists of a rectangular housing with a series of pins arranged in two parallel rows. This design allows the package to be inserted into a socket on a printed circuit board, making it easy to replace or swap out components. DIPs have been widely used in the past for integrated circuits and other electronic components, but are gradually being replaced by surface mount technology, SMT, due to their smaller size and higher component density.